Look for the silver lining whenever a cloud appears in the blue.
Rajeshri, thank you for taking time out.
Thank you.
First reactions on today's event and the journey of Bilayam Divas.
First reaction for today's event is that every year
Mhm.
I see it's evolving, and especially what I see about the Millennium Diva, I'm associated with them for more than 7 years,
Mhm.
7+ years, when actually all these, conferences started having.
Hmm.
This kind of platform was not there.
Hmm.
There were online platforms,
Hmm.
there were platforms which were talking a lot,
Hmm.
but this is actually taking women together.
Mhm.
Another, uniqueness of Millennium Diva is that they themselves do this,
Hmm.
and they also collaborate with platforms which are created by women entrepreneurs, which becomes, it's more like a multiplying effect. So it is not just Millennium Diva. Millennium Diva is taking everyone together.
Hmm.
So I know women entrepreneurs who received award maybe 7 years back. Today, Millennium Diva has associated with them. They have become big. Millennium Diva has become big.
Hmm.
So it's a one is multiplying effect. So they are not just giving platform. They are creating, the larger impact in the society. It is continuously done.
Hmm.
And there is a consistency in this. And also I see the major, point which is maybe used here is that the funding that women otherwise will find very difficult to get, from any other institution. Here it is simplified.
Mhm.
Okay. I have seen the approach of VCs with all the, women who present.
Mhm.
There is a lot of support and help.
Hmm.
Yes, they have to pitch, they have to prove themselves.
Hmm.
But at the same time, the approach what they have
Hmm.
is highly dignified,
Hmm.
respectful,
Hmm.
and I think it has become a kind of a value of Millennium Diva.
Hmm. Hmm.
You contribute, you make it more sustainable, otherwise it would have not lasted for 10 years.
Absolutely.
Okay, then you have VCs. I have seen VCs coming again and again. Every year they come.
Hmm.
So it is almost like, VCs are taking good entrepreneurs with them
Mhm.
rather than, entrepreneurs pitching in only.
Wonderful.
Okay.
That's, I think, what does this mean personally to you?
Uh, I'm associated with them as an evangelist.
Mm-hmm. And when I said that, what I wanted to say was, as a part of your own personal journey of evolution, how has this contributed?
For me, it has helped me. I have a foundation and consulting both. Okay. So consulting is a different game where the corporate support service is given in HR and POSH and DEI.
Mm-hmm.
When I have foundation, I look at women who need support when they are in distress.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And here I am able to contribute towards the women who are looking to step up in life.
Mm-hmm.
So from my foundation also, there are a lot of women who needs, once they are out of their situation where this distress, they need a platform where they can step up.
Mm-hmm.
This is another, collaboration I have. So
Okay.
I see a lot of this more like an integrated, support I see.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
And I know that you also won an award
Yes.
today.
Yeah.
I don't see the trophy, but please do share.
Yeah, I'm happy that my contribution is appreciated,
Mm-hmm.
and I think I'll keep contributing, and I feel that being an evangelist,
Mm-hmm.
I think Millennium Diva we can do more than this
Mm-hmm.
possible, and I would like to contribute more towards that.
And I want to wrap up with one question. What
Yes.
is your message to all of the women founders who want to start and who have great ideas but don't know how, when, where?
Okay, one thing, women are highly creative.
Hmm.
That's within them.
Yeah.
Okay, you keep it's 10 ideas keep popping up.
Hmm.
You have to stick to one idea,
Hmm.
take it ahead,
Hmm.
consolidate, go to, platform or come to the platform like Millennium Diva.
Mhm.
They support you,
Hmm.
and they are like you and me.
Correct.
They are like, sometimes you have platform where you're scared to go there.
Mhm.
This I have seen because I go to those platforms also.
Right.
And I see women they said, I don't think I can reach there. I don't think the style and the glamour quotient is so high, and I have to fit myself into it. And I don't know, that gap is very high. So,
Hmm.
so if I look at that platform and this platform, I feel it is my platform.
Mhm.
So women, so don't get scared to go there or here,
Hmm.
because you're pitching for yourself, and don't keep changing your ideas. Take it consistently and go with it.
Go with it. Thank you so much for your time.
Most
And
welcome. It's my
Keep
pleasure.
changing people's minds.
Yes, thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thanks.
Thank you for listening to this episode of the Between Us podcast. The producer is Santosh Kumar and the associate producer is Samyak Kamble. The Between Us podcast uploads episodes weekly, and we'll see you next time.